Let's take a look at how to properly do a trap bar deadlift. There are a few variations of the deadlift: barbell conventional stance, barbell sumo stance. In this video, we're going to take a look at the trap bar. There are 4 important things to keep in mind with the trap bar. 1. Your stance. Stand inside the bar with a hip width stance. 2. The hinge. Bend at the hip, grabbing the bar with the handles next to your knees. Keep yourself tight at the bottom. 3. Your alignment. Line your hands up with your calves. 4. Activate. Screw your feet into the floor, driving through your heels, and this will turn on your glutes. Lift the bar vertically from the floor and return it down. Note, make sure to stop on the floor in between each reps. Do not tap and go. The purpose of the trap bar deadlift is to help develop glute, hamstring, and lower back strength. There are a couple of notes on this video. At the end of the video, there is a straight bar deadlift in case you do not have a trap bar. Take a look at it, watch the technique. It is very similar to the trap bar. Also, anytime using a barbell, make sure you have collars on the end of the bar. Alright, here we go.